pilot in command. Now, the pilot in command is responsible for everything that goes on with the operation. They are responsible to make sure they've got the drone registered. They're make sure that they've got their certifications. If they need to do any kind of crew management, they notify people where the flights are going to be and what can be done on those flights. This was an operation that I was working with that we actually did a film production, and we were notifying everybody to stay out of the range. We were staying over we had a flight pattern from our landing and takeoff zone to over a body of water, and we were able to keep that drone over that body of water and get these shots for the television show Notorious. And you can see that using post production, you can zoom in and get quite good pictures. So on this production, we used four people. We had the pilot, we had the cameraman, we had crowd control, and we had a visual observer. And one of the things that we did was we ran test shots over and over and over again before we actually flew the operation for real, so that we knew and everybody else knew the safety of the operation. It's so important that if you're working with other individuals, that they understand a drone can be serious business, and that the best thing that was ever described that day was the fact that the producer came, or the director came out, and he stated, the first two or three times you're really excited that there's a drone in the sky, but about the fourth or fifth time you start to forget it because of people's attention span kind of dissuades. So always be aware when there's a drone in the sky, and always make sure that if there are other people that are out there in the area, that they know what's going on, and that you have mitigation procedures that are in place. So if anything were to occur, you'd be able to give sufficient warning to make sure that nobody got harmed or no property got damaged.